Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well, staying the mask on, and keeping busy. If you're not, well, I'm here to show you today one way of keeping busy. We're going to draw this. Some things you'll need: tape, paper, pencil, red crayon, orange crayon, light orange, yellow, blue or light blue, navy blue, dark blue, and black. And you're also going to need some napkins. First, you're going to take some tape. Get 4 pieces about the size of your paper. When you tape the tape down, make sure to leave enough space on each side to hold the paper, but not too much, and try to make it as even as possible. So, let us begin. First, take your dark blue crayon, and you're simply going to just like that. Be careful, don't get on your table. That's what the tape is for. Just like that, nothing fancy. Next, take your lighter blue, your navy blue, and do the same thing right below it. You can go ahead and mix a little bit, it's okay. Cover enough of the white spaces. Move it on to our sky blue. Do the same thing. This is going to be your sky. So make it as large as you want it to be. Move it on, we're moving on to yellow. Take your yellow and you're going to go right along the edges. You're going to get a little bit of green. Light blue and green. Light blue and yellow make green. So you're going to get some green in there. Go down to your light orange and do the same thing. This is your land. Alright, moving on to dark orange. Same thing. It's going to be a little bit less than your light orange. Finishing up with red. Red is going to be at the very bottom. And there we go. Next, moving on, we need our napkins. Take your napkins, tear it in half. I'm going to fold it into a little triangle. Just like that is good. And then we're going to start rubbing. Going to rub the blues all together, up and down. Just rub all of it in and make some circles. And then we're going to go left and right. Get all the edges. Left and right. Now, you see the sky up here is not as dark as I want it to be. So I'll take some dark blue and just simply put some more on top. I want this area to be very dark. And then rub it in. And if you have some white here, you can leave it like clouds, or go ahead and take your navy blue and go ahead and color that in too. And then rub it in. Okay, next, you're going to put this paper aside, this is dirty, and take your other half. We're going to fold it in a triangle again. It's clean, and we're going to do the same thing to the red, oranges, and yellows. Rub it in, left to right. Up and down. Like that. And then we're done. Next step is going to be taking your black crayon and you're going to put it down at the bottom here. Go ahead and do up and down. We're going to rub this in just like the other ones. Now, you can take the same paper that you did red with, or get a new one, a clean one. And you're going to rub the black in just like you did with the other colors. Left and right. Up and down. And make some circles. Get all the edges. Again, if you want some more black, if you want it to be darker, go ahead and add a bit more in there. And rub it in. Just like that. Next step, you're going to use a pencil. I have my black pencil here. The darker the pencil is, the better. This is a number 2 pencil. If you have a B pencil, an art pencil, it's much better. Now we're simply going to draw some trees. Give it a big one here. Another big tree over here. And maybe we'll add a smaller tree in the back here. And some small trees sticking out over here. And let's not forget about this area back here. You want to cross over, it's okay. And a couple little ones back here. Now, next step is the big trees are going to have a big trunk. So go ahead and make that line much bigger. And color it all in with your pencil. And we're going to take the next tree over here and do the same thing. Do the same for the smaller trees, but don't add as much width. Remember, this is yours. Any way you like it is up to you. Make more trees, make less trees, change where they are. Your art. Next step is adding some leaves. Gonna make two coming down. Smaller trees have smaller leaves. Bigger trees have bigger leaves. And you're also going to add some top leaves right on top here. You can add as many leaves as you want on your trees. Make some longer, make some shorter. It's up to you. Next step will be adding the fronds on the leaves. So just scribble a little leaf. It'll be thick on the inside and small on the outside. Go the same way that your leaf is going. So this leaf is going out, then we also go out. Just like that. Always feel free to add more leaves if you need to. Change how they look. Change the direction they go. And the last step, you're going to come down here near the base where your black is, and you're just going to add some grass. Just go ahead and push some lines up. And feel free to add some more black with your pencil. And then fill in any light areas on your trees. And there you go. We're all done with this. Last step is to carefully remove your tape. Pull slowly away from your art. One piece at a time. And there you go. We're all finished. I hope you like my art. I got this idea from a YouTuber called Art Arena. Please check out his work. It's really simple and really fun to do. Thanks for watching.